Most of the people try to understand about the market through just the numbers, but it's not about the numbers. Market has its own nature that you have to work on. Market has their own rules, their own factors that you have to work on and understand those factors if you are running a business. Welcome to the Shobha Sari platform. Today we are not going to give you any kind of motivation or something, but today we are discussing about the market's nature, how it works. Because even if you are a manufacturer and you are producing linen cotton fabrics in winter season and you are expecting that whatever I make it will become trend, then it's totally wrong, because linen cotton only works in summer season that you can't sell in winters. So it's not about the whatever you are producing, it's about only how the market works. In winter season you just have to work on whatever the things are people purchasing in winters, and it's also a seasonal behavior, customers behavior, their demand according to the place that they are living in, right? But the first thing that you should understand or accept that it is market is never the same. Suppose the product that was selling well last month may not sell the same way today, and the product that was not even people looking at, it is selling fastly today. That is the market. Whatever can happen anytime and you would not accept that. This is the market and this is the market rules. You can't control the market. You have to work on nature. It's nature and you have to be there, because the market never changes. You have to be changed according to the market. If you are a retailer and the customer is asking for the same thing again and again, so many customers are asking for the same product, then it is trend for you. And if you are a wholesaler and the retailers that you are supplying goods or products, they are asking for the same stock again and again, then it is a trend for you. In retailer or wholesaler, the margin is high, then the market is up. If the margin is low, then the market is down. It is right. But how this works on market's nature? Why I am repeating market's nature? Because it is true that market works on some factors like customers' behavior, season and their demand. These three factors are the keywords that you have to be work on. Okay, now I'll not give you so much of explanation, but I'll summarize whatever I said. That market is giving you signal again and again, but you are not understanding those signals. And if you understand those, then you can make a decision wisely according to the market. And those people who don't understand these signals, they'll say only market is not going good. This is not an excuse to be given, because market is not thing that will go up and down. It is a natural behavior of the people and the customers that you should understand to run your business. If you find this video helpful for yourself and your family or friends, then share it with them. And for such updates, for such videos, subscribe our Shobha channel and our Instagram page for more updates like that.